So you are a real estate agent and you are having trouble with getting your leads to answer the phone. Well, here is a couple tips to help you out. When dialing your cold calls or leads in real estate and you can't get them on the phone, instead of calling them just one time, you need to be double dialing them. You need to be calling them a second time. What that is doing is that is putting in their mind, okay, this is important. This person is trying to get in contact with me twice in a row quick. So most likely they're going to give you a call back. From there, once you get that call back, that's all you need. That is your foot in the door to take it to the next step. Leaving messages. You don't have to leave the message the same day. What I like to do is I like to call people twice on one day, and if they don't answer that day, then I will call them a third time the very next day, and if they don't answer again, then that's whenever I will leave them a message. Going along with the first one, it is putting that, you are a priority. You are trying to get in touch with these people, so it is making to them that this is important, which it is. Different forms of communication. There are so many different types to reach out and contact your clients. You have text, you have emails, you have calls, you have voicemails, you have Facebook Messenger, you have all different types of stuff. So you need to try them all if you cannot get in contact with them. If you can't reach them through your lead system, maybe look them up on Facebook and try going in through the Messenger or something like that. There are endless possibilities of ways you can contact people today, so use them all. Use your office phone. People don't like spam calls. Sometimes people might think that your phone call is a spam call because you're calling them so much, when really you're just trying to get in contact with them to see if you can help them. So use your office phone to call that number. They might know your number, but they might not know your office phone number, so that might allow you to be able to get in contact with them. If you can see what type of house or what type of property that lead is looking at, call them out on that piece of property. If they are looking at a 3-bed, 2-bath on Elmer Drive, then call them, text them, hey, I saw that you were interested in Elmer Drive. Is there anything that I can do to help you, or anything that I can answer for you about this property? Pay attention to what area your client or potential client is looking at. If they are looking at a specific spot in North Carolina, then I can do what's called a polygram search and go around that specific area, so it's sending them houses from that specific area that they are wanting to look at. If they are seeing that these emails and stuff are matching their needs more than other websites, then they are going to come back to you instead of figuring their way out through these other websites and other sources. Make a personal connection with your clients or potential clients. Whenever real estate agents are working today, most of the time they're just looking for money or, to get that check. If you can build an actual relationship and learn how to build a relationship with your client or potential client, figure out things they like, things that they want to talk about, things that y'all have in common, then that's going to make, number one, if y'all get into a deal, go a whole lot better. And number two, that just establishes that common area for them. An example of this, I have talked to a lot of people from the New York area. My girlfriend is actually from the New York area. So I can use that common connection right there just to make a quick connection to get my foot in the door so that they will talk to me longer, because that is something that we have in common. You have to stay up to date with your clients and potential clients' lives. Be contacting them every week, every other week.